Is my invention patentable? Do I need to modify a bit? Just check once if I can get a patent on this. Let me know if we can proceed ahead for the patent process. All these questions which we normally receive from an inventor are answered by a patentability search report. This report provides you a clear-cut picture that whatever investment you are putting in the patent preparation process, are you investing in the right direction, or you have to rethink? Okay, stop. Let me just check what examiner is going to check in the patent office. They are also going to cite some previous patented inventions or non-patent literature. Okay, these are the works which are very closest to yours, and then analyze, is my work patentable or not? That's the beauty of a patentability search report. Investing a bit to check that are you putting the funds in the right direction. It's a risk assessment report. That is why it is very important. It is optional, but it is a recommended stage one of any patent process. Usually takes 1 week of time. A report is prepared, a 30 page, 20 to 20, 30 page report having hyperlinks. You can check, click, open the application which shows you some patent and non-patent literature which is very closest to the work which you have done, and you map it, and you map the features of your work with those inventions which will be clearly depicted in the report, and then check, okay, these are the chances of me getting the patent over it. And it not just helps in this way, it also helps professionals identify the novelty in your work and prepare the patent application in such a way that it can be easily granted. Please be aware that once a patent application is filed now, it cannot be changed, it cannot be modified, we cannot add any additional matter later. So whatever is filed. So better is to take a skeptical decision beforehand, do a patentability search report, and then prepare the patent application in such a way that it can be easily granted and we can face and defend against the objections raised by the patent office. And that's the beauty of a patentability search report, which is optional but it is recommended. So what you get in return is a report, is a big report, and what we require from your side is a filled form which is called invention disclosure form, open to signing an NDA if it is required to receive the documents. We understand this, but that form is required so that we understand your invention, we map the features of your invention with the million of database through our paid professional softwares, paid as well as non-paid, and analysis for a week, sometimes more than that, also maps the features and provides you an opinion. Okay sir, these are the chances of you getting a patent. Either you need to modify this in this way, or you have to step ahead like this. What are the chances of getting a patent on it? And you get a clear-cut picture that how you are going to step ahead for the next stage of patent preparation.